break with no name, but hey, Golden Rocket, you did just what you say you're gonna do. You come on down here and pound style on the sandcastle. Golden Rocket, the man with no name sitting on the sandcastle. We go.
A man with no name, your troublemaker cruising around on mini grass is gone.
Hey, 96, you gonna have to put some ears on that rig you got. You got some output, but you ain't got no input. Hello, 96, one of them James boys, where you got down? And I'm the on Florida like that. Man with no name on the sandcastle, beggar. That's the only talk. Hello, good news.
A man with no name. A man with no name around a sandcastle. A man with no name, your troublemaker is gone. Have a good day.
Hey, troublemaker, I'm gonna make some trouble for that man with no name. Troublemaker, I'm gonna make a little trouble for that man with no name. One of them James boys, where you got down?
You a bad chomper, man. One of those James boys, you a bad chomper. A badass James boys, bad chomper cruising the mini grass. Haha, you troublemaker, waving. Have a good day.
Station in the grass. Hello, around Possum Lake. 28 in the grass with a wave to break. Right back 28. Right back, right there, right now, 28. I will not make you wait. One of them badass James boys below DEFCON. Hey, 28, can you hear me? Right there, right back, trying to put it right there, right back. Small station, 2,000 elevation. Hello, one of them badass James boys. 28 cruising a small station, 2,000 elevation. A banana patch got down. Small station, but I don't know what small station. That's what you said. Hey, 28. At 28, read my lips. I'm gonna stand down for a minute. The number one man on my Possum Lake is gone. You stand down, I'm trying to stand up. When you get down, I try to get up. Hello, on Possum Lake. When you get down, I try to get right back up. 2,000 elevation, and the banana patch says aloha. So controller, Murray. 2,000 elevation, that brown patch is smoking. Ain't no doubt about that. 28, take care. The number one man on my Possum Lake is gone now. Got a whole lot of elevation up there in the banana patch. Hey, you must got a whole lot of elevation in the banana patch. Just getting up. But you know, I got them all 2,000 elevation. The banana patch got all the way down. Hey, 28, you said, Bear James boy, 2,000 elevation banana patient. Hello, 21. Being nosy, break. You see it, show you. 28, I roll your Cody, a big man got down. That's what you done did in fine shell. The big man got down. The number one man, that's what you said. The number one man. Alright, 21, yeah, a little bit rough. I just turned it on, man. I was out here with 008. He just left here, and I just walked over here and turned it on. And heard you keying up, so I thought, 21, have a good day. I hope all is well and well. No how from number 10 of these boys. Bullet Bob around the Golden Gates, getting up. Watch out for number 10. Hello, number 10. You making it rough? Hey, shame. Well, watch out for your buddy number 10. You making it rough? Hello, number 10. 28, the mini grass says I love her. Hey, right back, 28.